Very soon I'll be learning the Masa language again. He will teach me.
But today I will teach him some Dimasa language.
Some.
Like say Jing Maham Jika.
Jim Mahang.
Jing Maham Jidu. Jing Maham Jidu.
Jim Maham Jidu.
That means we are having food.
You understand? Jim Maham.
Anything
Anything, we're having food.
Yeah, Jing Maham Jidu.
We're having the food.
With Dauno Hang, you said Dauno Hang.
Dauno Hang.
That means with chicken curry.
Oh. In Dimasa, Dauno Hang is chicken curry. My wife, she knows how to cook, and she assisted me.
Brother Vincent wants to learn all the languages that we speak in Nagaland.
Everything.
So today I'll be teaching him some Dimasa dialect.
I will try. I
say Jutai.
Jutai.
Lugurao. Lugurao.
Lugurao. Jutai. That's Dimasa, aka Kachari.
Jutai means thank you, my friends. Jutai. Lugurao.
Jutai Lugurao. Oshikim Tivanye.
In Sema.
Yeah, in Sema. Bishitans there in Nagamis. Dalo Imela in Igbo language. Thank you very much. Peace. See you guys soon. Bye.